That's the only regret. Entire life, I am second. Mama! 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 I saw a dream, colorful dream. I saw a dream, it was colorful dream, but I didn't realize it was beautiful.
Where to go?
Seven Loves.
Seven Lodge?
Means Apsara Chowk.
No, I am going to Khatras. I won't go that area.
Oh, but see, brother, no rickshaw wala is ready to stop.
Please sit, sister.
Oh, but will you not ask where to go?
Go wherever you want, pay by meter.
You made me just like God.
Sri Hari, Sri Hari.
Dada? Oh, Dada. That snake is dead.
What?
Our Mane Sahib?
No one Mane Sahib is here.
Shivram Mane Sahib.
He passed away.
Ha.
Who are you?
Me, his wife.
Oh, Vahini Sahib, please sit down. Shivram was like my elder brother. Now what is our work?
They want to see his fund's money.
Right. Do one thing. Go straight way. Turn right. Then turn left. Again go straight. Then there you will see that buffalo.
Buffalo?
Oh, boss in cabin.
Okay. Shall I go?
Hey, see there, our boss, ma'am.
Yes.
What's happening? Let's go. What we have to do? We are doing our work only.
Okay, stop. Hey, speak in low voice. Call is going on. Nothing is audible.
Yes.
Yes. I am Shanta Mane. Mane Sahab's wife.
Mane Sahib? No one is here like this.
Shivram Mane?
Ah, Shivram. He was a peon here.
Pune?
Oh sir.
What happened?
Sir, Vahini has come.
Are you drunk? I am not married yet.
Oh, that Shivram's.
Shivram has no Vahini at all. Shut up.
Oh, his wife.
His wife has come.
Yes. In that buffalo yard.
Get aside.
He used to sit on the stool outside. Actually, he was wandering here and there. When get time, then sitting on the stool. Have a seat. Have some water. Feeling better? He is here. How to control him?
Namaste, sir. You had been at my home.
Yes, I recognize you.
Want to know about funds?
What?
She want to ask about PF.
Your account is closed. 1.5 lakh.
Only?
Don't you know? Everybody knows. All bad debts of him. You may get another 35,000. But later. You may go now.
Hey, shall I drop you home?
Once you will leave. Now I have to walk my path alone.
Oh, Vaini,
What?
you work is over?
Yes, can say.
Come again.
Ai, did you cook rice?
Deshpande did not come with you?
He had some work. Just came from Mohol. Visited Panchayat office regarding our land. Your sign or thumb impression will be needed. What you have decided?
See, you and Ananda take 50-50 portion of land.
And what about Shanta?
She has to do nothing. Has only one daughter. She will not starve alone here.
Shivram was her husband. She has to get her portion. I will sign. I don't want anything.
I lost my son because of she and now want to grab my land.
Shivram was dead because of liver damage due to excess drink. Why do you blame Shanta? Let it be. I am preparing tea. Otherwise, I'll ask Shanta. Shanta? Where is Shanta?
Must have gone to revenue office to search property of Shivram. Wandering whole day for the same.
Shivram is no more. But shouldn't we find out what he has left behind?
Hey, Ananda is there.
How many times he will come?
Then Deshpande is there.
Call him son-in-law sometime. What Deshpande?
I become habitual. Deshpande.
How many times Deshpande will look after? After all, one has to move. And Shanta is doing the same.
What moment she is going? Wear color sari. Goes to hotel and drink tea and coffee.
Where will she go? What will she do? From one table to another. Facing people who have wrong intentions. False promises. And at the cost of it, undesired false expectations. I don't know how that innocent woman will be finding her way out of it. She only knows.
Look, Shivrama, how your wife behave. No control. Huh? Speak out. Speak out, Baba.
Hey mom, just adjust it. It was different when I was there. What I can do now? Now I am in photo frame. Please adjust it.
You sat in photo with Tila. We are offering flower to you. That is in our hand only.
I saw a dream. I saw a dream. Colorful dream. I saw a dream.
colorful dream, but I didn't realize it was beautiful. But I didn't realize it was beautiful. Didn't care the world while running crazy. Didn't care the world while running crazy. Mesmerized by the